This video, I'm going to show you the best dating app photos for men so you can get more matches on Hinge, Bumble, Tinder, and other dating apps. And the best part is you don't need a photographer or even a friend to take these photos for you. You might be wondering why you should listen to me, so I'm just going to prove that I'm legit and I know what I'm talking about. If you already know who I am, you can just skip to the next part. Here's me getting matches online, and here's some example conversations. You can see that girls actually want to go on dates and stuff as well. That said, let's start with photo number 1, which is an activity pic. An activity pic makes you look like someone who goes outside and does things, right? You don't just sit at home all day. So here's an example boxing pic, and I used AI to make this pic so I didn't have to get someone to take it for me. And if you want a pic like this but with you instead of me in it, check the link in the description that says get realistic AI dating photos. Here's some more examples: golf pic, hiking pic. And by the way, unless I say otherwise, just assume that all the pics that I'm showing you in this video were made using AI using the link in the description. The examples I showed you, why are they good? So boxing, kind of like masculine, quote unquote, whatever. Golf, it's like sporty, but also maybe you're rich. Hiking, outdoors, nature. So obviously it'd be good if the activity pic is something that you actually like, but don't do something like video games or anything else that most women wouldn't like. So other examples might be Dungeons and Dragons, kind of nerdy stuff like that, gym mirror selfies, a fish pic, gambling, thing you see on the screen that goes pew pew, smoking, etc. I mean, if you're into those kinds of things and you want to put that on your dating profile, just accept that a lot of women will probably not be interested. I mean, you might match with girls who are into that and it's probably a better long-term match, but you're not gonna get like a high quantity of matches, most likely. And then regardless of whatever the activity pic is, make sure you look good. For example, if the activity is like some sport and you look exhausted, sweaty, tired, etc., that's obviously not good. Photo number 2, ideally you would have this pic, and that is a shirtless pic like this one. So obviously only use a shirtless pic if you're in shape, and by in shape I mean you have abs or something close to that when you flex your abs. And I know some of you might be like, all right, I'm not shredded, and not many guys are, which is kind of the point. It's rare, right? And if you don't have abs, something else you can do is a full body pic. So the point of a body pic, whether it's shirtless or with a shirt on, is it prevents catfish concerns. For example, the girl might think you show up to the date and you're like 100 pounds / 45 kilos heavier. And if you've ever met a girl with only selfies online, you know what I'm talking about. Now for photo number 3, and this is a classic when it comes to dating app photos for men. And that's the dog pic, kind of like this one. So they did a study / survey, and apparently on average, if you're a guy with at least one dog pic, you will see an increase of 38% more matches. Lots of people like dogs, lots of people think dogs are cute, but also in the context of this video, dog pic, like a cute dog pic, it balances out photos number 1 and 2 that I talked about earlier, which are, I guess, more quote unquote edgy or masculine. Whereas a dog pic, it's like more approachable, like boyfriend potential. And note that I didn't say nice guy or friend zone potential. And yeah, you don't have to worry about that if you have photos like number 1 and 2 from earlier. So obviously not everyone has a dog. I just used AI for the pic I showed you, as well as the examples I showed you before. But if you don't have a dog or you don't want to use AI, a dog cafe, if you have one near you, is good too. So if you don't know what that is, it's exactly what it sounds like. So you go to a cafe or something like that and they have dogs that you can play with. And then if you go to a place like that, you can just ask one of the employees to take a pic for you. So next up is photo number 4, and that's a friend photo. If you have a friend photo, it means that you have friends, and it's a bonus if your friends include attractive women. Everyone's definition of attractive is different, but I think most people would say that the 2 women in this photo are at least not unattractive, even if they are AI. So something you want to be careful with the group photo or friend photo is you don't want to have one where it's you and like some nerdy looking guys in it. Try to find an example, but I think you know what I mean. I see it a lot. It's better to just not include a pic like that. It's messed up, but girls will definitely judge you based on who you hang out with. And also, if the group pic is with girls, like I showed you before, you would ideally have both guys and girls in the pic. So like this, so it's me, an AI friend, and then 2 AI women. Otherwise, it might come across a little try-hard if it's just you and some girls. All right, so next up for dating app photos for men that you can copy is a lifestyle / status pic, so travel being an obvious example. Shows you go to interesting places, do interesting things, and probably have the money to do so. Aside from travel, you can do pics like at a nice restaurant, a lounge, things like that. So here's an example of a travel pic. Here's one like at a restaurant, maybe like a date night kind of pic, date POV. And then here's one at like a nice looking lounge. Photo number 6. So this would be one where you're dressed nice like this. Pic like that shows that you clean up nice, you know how to dress. And you probably know this, but women, you know, they like clothes, they like fashion. Pretty sure malls wouldn't exist if women didn't exist. So here are some bonus tips for you. Number 1, have some variety across the pics. If you follow the types of photos that I just went over, you already have this problem solved. You don't need to worry about this. Generally speaking, you know, don't repeat same outfit, same location, same pose, things like that too much. And then number 2, don't have a dorky, nice guy smile. If you check the video on my channel that's called 7 dating app tips that are actually lies, which you should be able to watch if you go to the top right of your screen. But yeah, some common dating advice you might hear for online dating is be smiley, look friendly in your pics. You can have a smiling pic where it makes sense. Like for example, you're with some cute dog or something, or you're having a good time with your friends. But you don't want to have all pics like this where you're just super smiley, you look very quote unquote nice guy, friend zone material. I even had a guy from my course / community change all his photos facial expressions. So he said now he has no smiling pics and he's getting better results. Or actually, now he has only 1 smiling pic and the other 5 are smirks or neutral, and he's getting better results. Anyway, if you want photos like the ones I showed you in this vid, which were all AI, you know, no friend or photographer needed, and obviously they work, check the link in the description, get realistic AI dating photos. But once you sign up, you'll see a screen like this on desktop or mobile. Just upload a few pics of yourself. And then if you go to the starter pack page, you can get 6 dating photos that are optimized for getting matches, kind of like this right here, but with you in the pics instead of me. Presets page, you just click a button, hit generate down here, and then you can get pics like these, but with you in them instead of me. And custom prompts is what it sounds like. You can write your own prompt to make whatever pic you want. And soon we're going to add AI photo editing, AI copying photos, AI texting, and more. So yeah, if all that sounds good, check the link in the description. If you like the vid, hit the like, hit the subscribe, share with someone who needs to see this, and I'll see you next time.